And so we start. No one hurt yet.
In Quincy, but then who the hell will go to Quincy?
That's where you're based out of? Oh my god, yeah, that would stink.
Huh?
Yeah, driving down there would be
Yeah.
good.
People just sitting here taking pictures. No, we're not.
Actually, yeah, this is a really, really short mountain.
Yeah, but we're not going up that steep.
Yeah, it gets steep in the end, trust me.
Hey, no phone.
Honey, honey, it's time.
It used to make them so mad.
They said something.
They wouldn't let them go.
Are you videoing?
Beyond, they had to be able to see me.
The point has to see the cleanup guy.
Yeah, so they, hi! I didn't fall for you, no video.
Darn it.
No matter.
Eventually, he's hoping. It involves more walking.
Is that one of those young
That's cool.
trails, or is it like a harder one?
That's beautiful.
These would be
Easily more than 1,000 feet.
these would be green circles.
Yeah.
No, this is a blue square.
Is this a blue?
This is Tyler too.
Oh, okay,
I
yeah.
mean, no, Tippecanoe.
This is Tippecanoe, so yeah, this is blue.
Probably Tyler.
But after this bend, it's green until you hit the
This looks pretty hard.
other turn.
This is a ski trail.
For skiing?
Yeah.
No,
No, this is
it's not very hard.
intermediate.
Yeah. You know where I'll be, right?
What mountain is that?
No, those are Aaron.
What mountain is that?
You'll be in that trash can down there. Dad.
What mountain is that?
I don't know.
That's north, right?
The
Is that
reason
north?
it works
That's
is
like
because
north.
it's
That's
so
like northeast.
compressed and it's so
That
cold out.
could be
It shoots out.
the Lincoln Lafayette Ridge.
Yeah.
Maybe, yeah.
Do people climb up there?
Yeah, that's where we're going to go in
So
August.
small.
Oh.
Because we're hiking
So-
that afterwards.
In August, what you do is we're going to go up. You go up to the first mountain, and then you walk the ridges, the ridge along it,
Yeah.
between 3 more mountains.
We made it. This is the top.
We left it like a,
10-20-ish.
oh wow.
Dive
Thought we were gonna do it like, so we got up, I think we were there about 5 or 6 minutes.
Oh, look at the size of show up.
Like,
It's Bobby Hammond. You want Bobby Hammond?
dive bug. Dive.
Hey!
My dad, though. Acid.
Oh, there you are.
Mine like sense.
Just in time.
No, none of them only sat there.
Hey, over here.
Now, you guys will come over there. But this one just pretend it's buggy over here.
Do you like
Yours, please.
Indian?
Mine like sense.
Peanut butter sandwich. So it's Brian.
Who's my,
Peanut butter.
my son makes it for me.
Bolts out of springs, and then out of the beak goes
Someone
like,
here allergic to peanut butter?
No, we already went down that road.
lightning.
Not on this trip.
My dragon.
We had a lot of peanut
Someone
butter.
who's
That's
allergic to
eggs.
soda cans.
Yeah. We had an accident while we were here.
Sam,
I give you one guess.
Opening a soda bottle.
Cans.
I shall.
Playing with it.
Oh, yeah.
I shall explain.
Actually,
Did
pepper